we defined working groups or cross-functional teams that would address very important aspects of the company and its key stakeholders. So we set up a team that is responsible for managing communication with employees and addressing all employee needs. We had another cross-functional team that was responsible for our operations and managing our customers. We had a team that was also responsible for crisis management and managing the media. And we finally had a few key stakeholders that were responsible for managing the relationship and the communication efforts with our board of directors. And then beyond that, we as an organization made sure that our employees were well informed of all the health and safety measures from the government and all the guidelines and the directives that were coming from the government entities, the government bodies. We made sure that our employees had all the hardware and software tools and solutions that are required for them to be effective, for them to be productive, while working virtually and remotely in the comfort of their homes. So we made sure they had the right hardware, but also we made sure they had the right infrastructure in terms of the use of solutions such as Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and file sharing support. And we made sure that department heads maintained engagement levels with their employees in the form of virtual meetings and reporting their productivity levels back to the organization. We provided them with up-to-date communication on new health and safety standards. We shared insights with our employees on how to create the best or the most efficient and productive remote work environment. It was a good time for many of our employees to really think about the current pandemic and its impact on our field of work, on the real estate industry, and how to build capabilities and how to prepare ourselves for our gradual return in the form of what is going to be our new value proposition, what is going to be our new product offering, and really to strategize and come back to an environment where at least we introduce some resilience in our operations. Put your employees first, take good care of them, make sure you build trust with your people, because once you take care of your employee will in turn take care of your customer and your other stakeholders. Communication is key. Keep our employees informed of health and safety standards and to make sure that our employees are aware of what's required of them, especially during these challenging times, because priorities do change.